Now in Facebook ads, you can set a certain radius, exclude a certain location, but what if you want to do it across the whole ads manager? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can limit a certain place where you can only advertise on certain location. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can set your Facebook ads manager only can advertise to a specific location. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your ads manager. Click on the menu, go to left side. You can see here advertising settings, click on that. And then you can see audience control, click on that. So you can set here, my business can only advertise in specific locations. Use this control if you do not want your business or your Facebook ads to appear in other locations. So this is a good way for you to limit it. So for example, you just click tick and which location that you want to. You can even exclude people in the following location. So for example, I only want in specific countries, which is in Malaysia. Alright, so you just click here and then that's it. Alright, or you want to exclude here, I want to exclude Singapore. So with this, the business manager will exclude people from this country when they're running ads. So yeah, so that's how easily you can set up the audience control and to make sure that your ad account only can advertise in specific location. Okay, hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.